Hello friends, my name is Reza Masood. Today we shall discuss about a topic the matrix organization. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and very important with respect to project management, especially if you are a student of project management and you are planning to give exam of PMP in near future. So this is a very important topic for you. And if you are a project manager and working in any organization as a project manager, so again this is a important topic to understand for you. So let's just start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's just start, friend. Matrix organization. Friend, basically, matrix organization means whenever we talk about it is basically a structure of organization. If you just see the term matrix organization, so basically we are talking about the structure of our organization which is on which the company based on. Okay, so whenever we talk about matrix organization, basically we are talking about two bosses. Whenever you heard about a term matrix organization, just think about that you are talking about more than two bosses or more than two bosses. So two bosses means just think of this: one is the line manager or functional manager, and the second one is the project manager. So in this type of organization, the resources are working with two bosses or two managers. Like one is the functional manager, which is normally generally the reporting manager, and the second one is the project manager, who is responsible for customer facing and project management. So matrix organization is a structure in which there is more than one line of reporting managers. Effectively, it means that the employees of the organization have more than one bosses. More than one bosses means one is the function manager and the second one is the project manager. A matrix organization is a workplace format in which employees report to two or more managers rather than one manager overseeing every aspect of a project. For example, an employee may have a primary manager that they report to as well as one or more project managers they work under. This type of structure is often useful when skills needs to be shared across the departments to complete a task and can allow companies to utilize a wide range of talents and strengths as well. So basically, friend, whenever you heard about a topic matrix organization, just think of two bosses. One is the function manager, and the second one is the project manager. The types of matrix organization: the weak matrix organization. The weak matrix organization means this type of matrix organization structure is more similar to a traditional workplace functional management site. A functional manager oversees all aspects of the project and acts as the primary source of decision making, while there is a project manager which also acts as a point of authority. They ultimately answer to the functional manager. So basically, weak matrix organization means that all the authority reside with the functional manager. Functional manager is the main point of contact or the main authority or decision maker, and the project manager is basically point of contact, but he is not having so much authority. He has very low authority in the weak matrix organization. So whenever we talk about weak matrix organization, basically we are referring to an organization where all the authority exists with the function manager and project manager has very low authorities. Then the balanced matrix organization. In this type of matrix organization structure, more authority is given to the project manager, while there is still a function manager who is the primary authority. Employees also report to the project manager. Basically, friend, balanced matrix organization means that just see the term balance. Balance means the project manager has also some authority and function manager has also some authority. So basically, there is a balance exists between the power or authority between the project manager and the function manager. So in this type of organization, project manager and functional manager both have some level of authority, and we can't say that all the authorities exist with the function manager. Project manager has also some authorities and resources also report to him as well. Then the last one is the strong matrix organization. Strong matrix organization means that it provides the project manager with equal or more power than the function manager. The project manager has primary control over resources and distribution of tasks. So basically, in this type of organization, all authorities and power exist with the project manager. Resources are reporting to them. their probation periods, and the performance evaluation is all in the hands of the project manager. And project manager has very high power or high authorities in this type of organizational structure. Why? Because all the decision making is done by the project manager. Project manager is a person who is making the decisions, and he is the highest level of authorities in this type of matrix organization, a strong matrix advantage. The advantages of matrix organization: first of all, it increases the communication effectively. People are reporting to two managers, and they are talking with each other, so the communication level is very much high in this type of organization. Information is not reside in one division or one department, because resources are shared, they are talking to each other, so communication is more efficient in this type of organization. Employee motivation has also increased, because as a project manager you listen to them, you heard to them, and whatever the feedback they are giving, you are giving value to them. Increased teamwork means that as a team, as a whole, your working will increase. As a teamwork your teamwork will also increase. Resource usage will also increase. Why? Because see, as a project manager, you know that where resources are required, where resources are not required. So centrally you are managing the resources, so the resources usage of resources will also be maximized in this level of, in this type of matrix organization. Increased employee professional development. Like for example, as a project manager, you notice that for example, the particular employee needs project management training, or they need any technical training, so you can arrange the trainings for them. You can take the, for example, they need some software skills, soft skills are needed, like for example interpersonal skills or communication skills, so you can arrange the required trainings for them, so the employees gets more professional development in the matrix organization. There are few disadvantages as well for the matrix organization. First of all, the conflicts between the managers and functional manager and the project manager. Why? Because there are two bosses, so always there is a point of conflict between the functional manager and the project manager. This is very obvious. Then the authority confusion. Many times it happens that resources are not sure that who has the authority to take the to take the decision. Sometimes you are thinking the function manager will take the will take the decision, however the project manager is taking the decision. So authority level confusion is there. Reduce employee effectiveness, and also it will increase the management overhead cost. Why overhead cost increase? Because see, many times it happens that ABC resource is working in the functional manager side, the same task is he is also working for the in another project as well, so overhead cost would also increase in the matrix organization. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.